Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, I'm going to be making a cover in 10 minutes. I just want to do something, something a little different. And today I'm going to be making something for Jace. I have a few pictures, and we're just going to be cooking up with them and see what happens. Okay, see what happens. So I'm gonna move my cam. I don't know where the fuck to put the camera. Alright, so I'm going to look up timer. We're going to get 10 minute 001. Boom. Alright. Let's just start this. Oh shit. I have to do something here so I get it up on screen. Alright, so I do have these images that I have. I'm gonna upscale. I have to upscale this one. So we're gonna start the timer. We're gonna get straight into it. So let me see. So I might use this one because, I don't even need to upscale down. Yeah, so I got these off YouTube from his Goose Creek music video, and we're just gonna upscale them or expand them and see what comes out. Just taking too long, bro. Too long. Disable. Then we're just gonna merge, convert. We're gonna, expand them a bit. Remove the background. Let's go. I think this one would be nice. I think this would be tough. I think it'll be tough. Like maybe if I put glow on his eyes. How long do we have left? Oh shit. 7 minutes. So yeah, I probably should have upscaled it, not gonna lie, but I'm not trying to kill my PC. Like that was an 11,000 pixel fucking upscale. Like what the fuck. That should be good. It should be good. Let me convert this to a smart object. Gradient map, black and white. Fuck. Reverse, overlay. His eyes like really like damn. So I'm gonna get a glow here, white. Okay, boom. What I do here is I kind of just like do a line around his eyes and then I blur it out. So go to blur, Gaussian blur, kind of blur it out just to give it like a more natural effect, and then just tap around like that. Boom. I want it like more even, and then I make another layer. Kind of just boom, and then linear dodge. Maybe bring this down a little bit. Alright, boom. So now I'm gonna go get a color lookup. We got 5 minutes down. I'm gonna go for shit 2. Okay. We can work with it. I'm gonna go behind them. Get a glow. Just get a glow around them. Then we're gonna make a clip mask above them. Get glowing. Just random ass glows. Boom. Alright, so boom. Linear dodge add. Fill. Bring it down. So I'm just gonna get even more. Or I might just make it black here. And then bring this all the way up. Erase the face. Yo, I'm fucking speed running this shit. Holy fuck. Three minutes. Damn. Fuck. I got lucky to just like use what I have here. I'm gonna just boom. And then we're gonna duplicate it again. And then we're gonna rotate 90 degrees. We're gonna go like boom. Shit. Got the blur gallery, iris blur. I'm gonna just blur these areas, just kind of make it look clean. Boom. Could also go for the reverence kind of effect where he goes, he just fills it out, and then he deletes there, like right there. I'ma blur this bitch. We could do that. Boom. Now I'm gonna erase that. Fuck. Oh shit. 2 minutes. Let me get a texture in. Oh shit, I should have opened my pack. Oh, we'll get cigarette smoke in. I get smoke in. I get smoke in. Blur the bitch. Boom. Bring it down. 1 minute. Oh my fucking god. Let me get a nice texture in. Come on. Here we go. Come on. Fuck. Got 1 minute, bro. Come on. Why is it not? Oh my days. Bro. It's kind of like blurry. Like, what the fuck? Why does it do that? Why is it making it blurry? Am I tripping? Yo. Solid color. 54 seconds. Holy fuck. I'm gonna get a grain. Noisy grain effect. Fuck. Damn. Need to get the parental advisory in. Last thing. Final thing. Come on, come on, come on. Oh fuck. Oh shit. Parental. Fuck. Oh shit. Here we go. 11 seconds. Boom. He's indeed a ghost or some shit. I don't know what the fuck this is, but that is 10 minutes. That's the challenge, bro. That's if you guys do want to copy my adjustments pack that I did use in this video. Without it, it's gonna look like this. Damn. I mean, you want to get that nice glow effect? Go down below, cop it. Saves you a lot of time, makes you a lot of bread, and yeah, peace.